I would like to introduce Bistos Fetal Doppler BT-250. BT-250 is amazing color LCD fetal Doppler to check your fetal health. Standard configurations of BT-250 are main unit, operation manual, Doppler probe, 60 ml ultrasound gel, and power adapter and code. BT-250 is the model that's same of fetal Doppler function. What you are knowing, but unlike normal portable fetal Doppler, there are features that it is using 3.7 volt, rechargeable battery, trend function, and using for a desktop. The weight is only 1.1 kilogram, that lightweight to use by desktop without burdens. Then let's start to turn on the BT-250. Connect the power cord, which is supplied by Bistos company, to power outlet and power adapter receptacle. Connect the adapter plug to the BT-250 AC DC adapter connector as shown like this. Turn on the BT-250 by pressing down the power on off button about 2 seconds. And now, here I would like to show the front panel. Power indicating LED. Power on a off button. Control knob. Mode change button. Save on off button. Trend mode button. Event mark. And this is TFT color LCD. As you can see on the display, there is applied 3.2-inch TFT color LCD, and there are two modes, graphic and numeric mode. On the display, it represents fetal heart rate quality, remaining battery, sound volume, 7 levels, and averaging heart rate value. Before using the BT-250, you can set patient information, year, month, and date. Heart rate range set 30 per 240 and 100 per 180. Auto shutdown. Date, time. Language, brightness, and sound by setup mode in advance. In the functions, delete all memories. Event mark. Trend that's saving maximum 25 patients' data. Quick guide. Demo mode and upgrade firmware by using the USB. On the side panel, there are earphone jack connector, Doppler transducers connector, and Doppler transducers holder. On the back side, there are battery compartment, AC-DC adapter connector, RS-232C port, USB port, built-in speaker and Doppler transducer holder. When you move to another area, you can use the hand grip easily. Charging time, you need 4 hours, but operation time is more than 5 hours. Thank you for watching.